let's begin. I'm gonna show you how to make golden apple tea. First, we're gonna start with 2 golden apples. 1 golden apple gives you 2 cups of tea. Okay, you wanna slice the golden apple. You wanna slice close to its seed. You want to cut off the skin. Make sure you want to keep the seed and you want to keep the skin. It's all beneficial. I'm going to show you how to make that delicious golden apple tea. Now you want to add 4.5 cups of water in a pot. You want to add the sliced golden apples into the pot of water. Now you will wait for your water to boil rapidly for 5 minutes. Then you will turn off the pilot and add your favorite herbs or spices, which I have added lemon balm and lemongrass. Then cover, let simmer for 15 minutes. I like to strain the golden apple tea. If you like pulp in your tea, for all means, go right ahead. A fresh cup of golden apple tea tastes so good. Hello, everyone. With a cup of golden apple tea, it is time for a story. Listen up as the story begins. On a beautiful island of St. Croix, a little tree was found in the middle of a great big garden on the west end of the island. "Who am I?" said the little tree. The little tree looks up and sees many other trees grown big and tall. "Hello there, little tree," says the tallest tree in the garden. "You are so tall and beautiful. What tree are you?" "I am a tambourine tree. I've been here for so many years. I've watched you grown from since you were a little seed into a tree sprout. And look at you reaching out to know who you are." "I'm going to grow as tall as you," says the little tree. "Not quite as tall, but you are a special tree," says the tambourine tree. So it took 6 years for the little tree to grow tall and strong at its standard size, with branches long and wide, and it bears bunches of fruits between its leaves along the branches and limbs. The tree is beautiful. The fruits are green, but when it ripens, it is golden. All the other trees looked and saw that once the little tree is now about 20 feet tall. Smells fruity, looks delicious. What should we call you?" as the other fruit trees whispers among themselves. Then a flamboyant tree, as beautiful and vibrant, leans over and waving his branches. I know what to call the tree with its fruit's sweet aroma that smells so far as the tallest tree can smell it. We will call it June plums." Then in a far distance, as footsteps came gathering along the way, a group of children camping nearby came to the golden apple tree. "Look," as they point, "there, a golden apple tree." They climbed the tree, hanging and swinging and eating the fruits off the tree. "This tree smells delicious. Yummy sweet. It tastes delicious too." Picking and dancing, the children fill their basket full with golden apples. The camp leader looks at the children and says, "Do you know that this fruit tree has many healthy benefits? It have high levels of vitamins and minerals. Very good for you." Wow, the children are all happy they found a golden apple tree. This is healthy for our bodies. They ask the camp leader if they can camp out under the tree. Yes, you can eat as many as you may, and don't overdo it. So then the camp leader and the children packed up and went home the next day. They all promised to come back next year to camp out and pick as many fruit trees as they may. All the other trees looked at the golden apple tree and started clapping their branches. "Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Your golden apple tree." Then every tree in the garden starts singing the golden apple song. A golden apple, sweet golden apple.